all you have to do is follow this tutorial to figure out how you can change out the batteries. So if that is your case, all you need to do is pick this machine off the wall right there. Now in my particular case, as you can see, this here is mounted onto the wall using just one nail that is banged onto the wall. But if yours is stuck on a little bit tighter, you can try to wiggle it out and get it off the wall. Once you're done getting it off the wall, let's transfer it over to a table so that you can have a good, nice working surface. Now, as you can see, my meter is here on the table, and now what I'm going to do is separate it from the outer case. Now, if you look at this meter here, in my hand, as you can see it's split into two. This is the outer pocket, the pocket that actually holds your meter. So this here is what you'd find, on the wall, plugged in using that port over there. Now, if you look at this is separate. Now, the front part is your actual meter, and the back part is just the pocket that holds it. Now, we need to separate it, separate the two so that we can get access to the back of the meter. Now, be very, very careful that these small clips over here that hold the meter in so that it does not fall out, and those clips are located at the back. You can just pry it up with your flathead screwdriver. Gently, do not break it. So pry it up as you tug on the meter. You try to pull it out of its pocket right there. Now, once you're successful removing it, from the pocket, now what we need to do is access the back of the meter. Now, once you're at the back of the meter, you'll notice there is one screw, and it's a flathead screw. Now, you need to be very careful. Do not drop this at any one moment. Do not drop this. So you have to be very, very careful not to lose that screw, because it keeps things all safe and secure. Now, you're going to open this screw using your flathead screwdriver right there. Once you're done opening, you'll notice now you've gotten a compartment that has got you a pair of AA batteries. Now, I must advise you, since you're changing out something that's going to take a long time, go buy yourself the most durable brand of AA batteries that in my particular case. I have these ones that I did import from the US. However, any good brand, Duracell, Energizer, those high capacity brands should do you just well. Just don't go putting the really, really cheap type, because you'll end up redoing this process in a very short time. So yeah, that there should be something for you to note. Now, we're going to remove the batteries that are in, since they're already worn out. They have no more purpose to us. You're going to remove those, and once you're done removing that, now you can put in your new batteries. Installation of batteries is as simple as putting, the negative goes to the spring side, and just like putting batteries into a remote. I should warn you, this little battery pocket attaches back to the meter using thin black and red wires. Be very careful not to tug too hard on this, because if they snap, that's a whole different game altogether of trying to reattach them. So be very careful, don't pull it too far. It just gives you enough room for you to remove the compartment from the meter and then get changing. Now, once you're done putting back the batteries, securely put back the that compartment, the compartment that where you put all your batteries in. Put it back in securely, and then now you can snap back the cover. Now, the cover, take your time. It has these two hooks over here, little pin hooks that hold it secure at the back. Do not force them in, just align them in the way they're supposed to be, and then press down on the entire assembly, and it will click into place. Now, once it's done clicking into place, you can go back and secure your screw back to the entire assembly, and you should be done. Now, of course, once you're done, your display should be back on, displaying how many units you have, and how much power you're consuming, basically the power rating on the side over there right there. Now, if you're successful with this, then you can go ahead and install this unit back to the wall, and you are good to go. So it's as easy as this, changing out your batteries on your wireless conlog meter right there. Now, remember, like I said, be very, very careful with those wires. If you snap them in the process, it becomes a really hectic process for you to have them fit back. So be careful as you're pulling out that compartment, for the batteries right there. But it's a simple, straightforward process. Make sure you buy the highest capacity battery you can land yourself on, and yeah, get that, and you should be able to go back to normal work over there. As you can see here, I can now punch in my digits, and everything is just working beautifully and perfectly, and it's as simple as that. So if you like these kinds of videos, tutorials, DIY, lots of tech, will be breaking down and demystifying all the tech that is out there, go right now. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you're alerted each time I drop a new video on this here channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much, and I do honor you watching my videos. But well, until next time, it's been great helping you out here, and I shall see you in the next video. Let's catch up next time. Bye-bye.